Hello there, this is Hesam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first video. In this channel, I'm going to integrate your network experience and programming. So, stay with me and let's get started. If you have a small business with specific users and IP and you need to report internet usage, you have a couple ways to do that. First, use a firewall and UTM authentication. Use hotspot, use monitoring software. All these ways have own cons and pros. It may cost you money, it may have a complex implementation, it may annoy your users, for example, connectivity and authentication issue. After check out all tools, I decide to write a program for Mikrotik to calculate internet usage to solve all issue I have explained now. So enough talking and let's log in. Well, default username and password is admin. Admin. When you log in, you redirect to dashboard page as you can see in the address bar. We have a couple section here. The first one is summary usage for users. We have a download, upload, and total section, and the user is separate and default time is current month. We have a destination section. You can specify in destination panel, and also this destination separately calculated for your purpose. We have a top 10 usage for users. The first one is server. Mine is 252 gigabyte, and other users is 87 gigabyte, and hesam is 14. In the report panel, you can report details of users and devices. First of all, you need to specify date. I use this one. I want to report myself and press report. There we go. We have a couple columns here. We have a destination and device columns. You can report per destination, per device in here. For example, hesam, iPhone, and Instagram destination, almost 3 gigabyte of download. In the charts down below, we have a hesam destination usage, for all devices, Instagram, other, and Telegram. And the right side panel, we have all hesam devices usage separately. In a users and group section, as you guess, you can add, delete, and modify users and groups. You can specify first name, last name, username, email address, password, and group. Group that you defined here. You can add a group and description. You can modify and define group here. For example, home group, and you can assign role to your users. Admin role can access to all items in the left side panel. User role can just get on usage and report all users, but cannot define user group, device, or destination. Just access to dashboard and report panel. In device panel, you can show your user's device and add device. For example, you can add a device here, assign an owner to your device, and add IP address. IP address cannot be duplicated or out of your local range network. I'll explain it later. And you can report users' devices. For example, mine. I have a 4 device here. Name, model, IP address, type, and owner. You can modify it and also delete it. Destinations. In this panel, you can add destination and IP address to your destination that you have defined before. Like I have Telegram and Instagram. I have defined this IP address to my destinations. It will be calculated separately for monitoring purposes. In a setting, we have a couple options here. The first one is your Mikrotik IP address and a web service port, like I have here. And second one is your local network range. You must to define these local ranges. If you don't, any connection between these ranges will calculate it as an internet usage. Okay, thank you for watching me. It's a completely free tool for any Mikrotik devices. If you enjoy it, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. It is Net Geeking. And if you have any problem, you can contact me in GitHub, Telegram, email address, and also my YouTube channel. See you guys.